In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert $sign in Google Sheets. If you've got a list of numbers and you want them to show up as dollar amounts, the cleanest way is to apply the currency format. This adds the $sign without changing your underlying values, so your formulas and totals still work perfectly. First, open your browser and head to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, which opens the Google Apps menu. From that menu, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. If you're already in a spreadsheet, you can continue there. Otherwise, open the document you want to edit from your recent files or create a new one. Once your spreadsheet is open, highlight the cells where you want to insert the $sign. You can click and drag to select a range or use Shift-click to extend your selection. Keep in mind, applying currency format only affects the selected cells, so include everything you want formatted. Next, look at the top of the window and click the Format menu. This is where all formatting options live. In the drop-down, hover your mouse over Number. A side menu will appear with several number formats. We're going to choose a custom currency so you can ensure the exact dollar style you need. Click Custom Currency. A window will open showing different ways to display currency, including symbols, decimal places, and how negative numbers appear. In the list, click US dollar. You'll typically see a preview so you can confirm the dollar symbol and the number style match what you expect. If your spreadsheet uses a different locale, this step helps lock in the US dollar format explicitly. Once you've selected US dollar, click Apply. Your highlighted cells will immediately update to show a $sign in front of each value, along with any default decimal places. The numbers themselves haven't changed, only how they're displayed, so your calculations remain accurate. A couple of quick clarifications as you review your sheet. If a value doesn't pick up the $sign, it may be stored as text rather than a number. Also, if you see more or fewer decimal places than you want, that can be adjusted later in the toolbar or within formatting settings. But the key is that the dollar currency format is now in place. And that's all there is to it. You opened Google Sheets, selected your data, went to Format, hovered over Number, chose Custom Currency, picked US dollar, and applied it. Your sheet now shows clean, consistent dollar amounts, ready for sharing or further analysis.